Hi, I am trying to get Cece ready to go on another trip, and I thought I'd share with you some of the things I'm working on, some of the projects I'm doing to get my bicycles ready to ride. I have 3 bikes. Only one of them is in working condition. The other 2 have been, well, one of the other 2 have been beaten up pretty badly, and that was my bike. It went on the back of CC for my entire 83-day trip and was exposed to all of the elements. And last summer it just sat and it was completely rusty. And I didn't think it was going to be able to be saved, but I had a mission to work on it. And I found a product that is amazing. Now, I am not at all being asked to promote this product. I researched it, I found out about this product, and I decided I'd give it a try. It was worth the $20 investment. It's getting a little windy here, storm's rolling in. But I wanted to quickly share this before the storm comes and show you the product that removes the rust pretty well without any work whatsoever. I first started trying to get the rust off my frame with aluminum foil and water and scrubbing. And so much of the frame was rusted that I could not imagine doing this as a way to really restore my bike. So I found this product and started giving it a shot. I gotta go. Storm's rolling in. I gotta get my cushions off the deck. I'll check in with you a little later. So 5 minutes ago I was standing right there not expecting the storm to roll in for another hour or so. But, you know, Mother Nature always has other plans for us. I am now in the garage, and hopefully this video will still work. The product I was telling you about is called Evapo Rust. See if I can get the glare off of it. I bought this 1 gallon size container and used it for the frame of my bike, which I can't show you because it's too dark in here and the rust won't show up. But I will show you the chain. And I put the chain in a bucket here, and you can see how rusty it is. I mean, it's really bad. But before I purchase a new one, got to move back because the rain is coming in the garage. Oh, I love it. Yes. Before I purchase a new chain, I'm going to give this product a whirl. I've already done some other metal products in here. It says that this is safe on all kinds of different surfaces, plastics, wood. I only have the metal in here for the chain. There's no other materials in this product, so I'm just going to pour this on, let it sit for 24 hours like it says, and then I'll come back and show you what that looks like. Now, they say this can be reused, and actually I've used this bucket and filled it once before, and I poured the liquid back in after that one was done. So I'm reusing it for the second time. I haven't even used half the gallon. It still has most of it in there. So that is now covered completely in the liquid. That's all there is to it. 24 hours from now, it might not look like this anymore. We will check in and see how this is doing. I'm also going to throw in the metal ratchet clamps because they aren't working for me really well. I'm going to throw those in the bucket as well and see if that works for them too. All right, I'll check in with you later. So here is the updated ratchet set. I actually could not remove the straps from the ratchet clamps themselves. It was so locked up. So I decided they're useless anyway. Why not just test this out and see how it works? I have now used the entire gallon of the Evapo Rust, and they are soaking in here. Everything is covered. I think I have 3 ratchet clamps in there and the chain. Again, after 24 hours, I can dump the liquid back into this bottle and reuse it again. If the results of this are anything like the other things I did, it's pretty darn amazing. So we'll check back in 24 hours. And an update on the rain, it has now settled down. So welcome back. For you, that was only a few seconds. For me, it was 24 hours. But the last 24 hours have not brought any rain, which is nice. It's been a beautiful day here, and I've enjoyed being outside for almost the entire day. I have not done anything with the contents of the bucket. I have not looked at it, so I will be seeing it for the first time along with you. However, my youngest daughter, Katie, did go in here to look at it, and she told me what to expect. So I kind of know her description of what she saw. But still, I have not seen it. So let's go ahead and take a look. Here is one of the clamps for, oh yeah, it has the strap on it. Everything is in fine condition. There is no rust on that. No, yeah, that just wipes off. It just totally feels good in my hands. Let's see if I can get it to go. Oh my. Oh, that is brilliant. I think I can probably, yeah. I would have had to have pried that open with 2 hands before it was not working at all. And now this buckle is reusable. The directions do say to rinse this off with water, so I'm going to go do that after we're done here. This is another buckle that, oh my gosh, oh my goodness, it was completely rusted. Worse than the first one I showed you. Let's see if I can get this one to close. Do this one-handed trick here. Oh yeah, oh my gosh. Oh, that's wonderful. I'm guessing this will be the same thing. Yep. Wow. This stuff is magic. I mean, seriously, they have no idea I'm doing this. Oh, this one won't go with one hand. This is still right here. This is still jammed. But I might have to play with that a little bit more. We'll see if I can get that to go. But this company has no idea I'm doing this. They are not sponsoring me in any way. I just bought this at the store after researching it and seeing other people say how amazing it was, watching other videos that are exactly like this one, where people haul out their bike chains and go, look at that, it's amazingly clean and ready to be used again. Sorry for the wobble. So let's check out the chain. Oh, you'll notice, this happened before. You'll notice that the black on my hands, that happened with the first round of metal I did with the bike. And it's probably grease that's left over from the chain. But holy cow, this chain is now bending at every link, just in my hand. I'm going to definitely put this back on that bike and see how it runs. I'll be buying a new chain to replace it at some time, but I just want the bike functional for right now. I am pretty excited about this. Holy cow. Whoopsers. They say to use this with until the liquid goes black. That's pretty black. I mean, I worked it pretty hard with these metal pieces, so I'm not sure if it's done, but I'm thinking that this might be it for what I get out of it. Totally worth the $20 investment. It was about $20. Can't remember exactly how much it was. So excited. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you have some items that are rusted up, give this product a try. Again, I'll show you what it looks like. They do sell one that is a gel that you can put on products that you can't soak, and I was planning to do that for parts of my bicycle. After this video is done, I'll include pictures of how I use this on my bicycle following the directions on here, because I could not find the gel in the store where I live. And I wanted something to get started trying right away. So I purchased this, put it on paper towel, wrapped it around the parts of my bike that were rusted, wrapped that in clear wrap, cling form wrap, and let it sit for, I think it was 12 hours. And I'll show you the pictures. I don't have pictures of the before and after of that, but I do have pictures of what my bike looked like when it was being given first aid care. So again, I hope this was helpful to you. Thanks for joining in. I will be buying it again.